A very good morning to all. Today we are going to visit the monuments of India. Very first we are with the Lotus Temple. Lotus Temple is not only a symbol of excellence in modern Indian architecture but also one of the most visited religious building in the world. It takes the shape of a lotus temple. The structure is made of 3 ranks of 9 petals each. It means total there are 27 petals, and we can see the concept of patterns in it because all the petals are similar to each other. They are same, exactly same. The first 2 ranks curve inward, embracing the inner dome, while the third layer of curves outwards to form canopies over the 9 entrances. Its central hall has a diameter of 34 meters and the height of 33.6 meters above the podium. It has the seating capacity of 2200 people. There is a central hall and the capacity of this hall is 2200 people. At one time 2200 people can sit in this. And there is a total peace, total silence in the hall. Many tourists come here to feel the silence in the hall. Now the next monument is Red Fort, which is also known as Lal Killa. The fort, which is spread over 255 acres and established in the duration of 1639 to 1648. It's an evergreen attraction for the tourist. And the architect of this monument is Ustad Ahmad Lahori. It's massive 2.5 kilometer long and closing walls are made of red sandstone. And there are several attractions in it like Lahori Gate, that is the main gate of Red Fort, Delhi Gate, that is a gate for the tourist, Mumtaz Mahal, Rang Mahal, Khas Mahal, Diwane Khas, and many more. So all these attractions of this monument make it so mesmerizing. And now here we are with the India Gate. India Gate is a war memorial situated in the Rajpath area, Delhi, and it is established in 1917. It was built to commemorate that undivided British Army. It is surrounded by lush green and well manicured gardens. Many tourists come here to see this beautiful monument, that is India Gate. It was constructed in the period of 1921 to 1931 by Sir Edwin Lutyens. It is situated in the middle of hexagonal complex. The area of India Gate is 3,06,000 square meters and the height of the gate is 42 meters, whereas the width is 9.1 meter. In the honor of soldiers who sacrificed their lives in the Indo-Pakistan War in 1971, a new structure was added to the India Gate in 1972, known as Amar Jawan Jyoti. It means flame of the immortal soldiers.